Unfortunately, come to you with nothing but sad and devastating news that legendary gospel artist Benjamin Dube has parted ways with gospel group called Spirit of Praise. The singer and reverend, who has been the anchor of the group since its inception back in 2008, took to his timeline on Monday to announce the news in an official statement. Benjamin Dube said the decision was not an easy one, but after much prayer, reflection, and conversation with key stakeholders, he chose to walk away. The statement, which has been released, reads as follows. After much prayer, reflection, and conversations with key stakeholders, Reverend Benjamin Dube wishes to officially announce his departure from the Spirit of Praise collection. This decision was not made lightly, as Spirit of Praise has been an important part of Reverend Dube's ministry journey over the years. Through these platforms, countless lives have been touched, worshipped, has been elevated, and the message of Christ has reached multitude both locally and globally. However, as season changes, so do assignments. Reverend Dube believes that the time has come to focus fully on the next phase of his calling, which includes expanding his personal ministry, mentoring the generation of gospel artists, and pursuing projects aligned with the unique mandate God has placed on his life. He remains deeply and externally grateful to Spirit Music Group, the Spirit of a Praise team, and the owners of Spirit of Praise, Aubrey Peacock and Matthew Nkabinde, for years of fruitful partnership, mutual respect, and impactful ministry. Reverend Dube departs with nothing but love, honor, and profound appreciation in his heart. As always, Reverend Dube continues to uphold the kingdom of God as his high priority and looks forward to continuing to minister across the globe in ways that brings glory to Jesus Christ. The statement read. Spirit of Praise, born from its first album recording at the Pretoria State Theatre, became a household name with Dube's commanding performances in tracks like Lonile Ibandla and Al Shaddai Medley. Across 10 volumes, his contributions have been nothing short of monumental, blending anointed worship with a sound that resonates with across generations. Dube's personal assistant and brand manager Hloni Mhlala explained that the icon feels called to focus on the next chapter of his life. This new phase includes expanding his personal outreach, mentoring emerging gospel artists, and pursuing projects aligned with what he believes is a divine mandate. Reverend Dube is ready to pour into the vision God has placed on his heart, Mathala said, hinting an exciting development to come. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section. And of course, do make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video, and may God continue blessing you all.